Hello everyone, my name is NewFlowerGirl, but you can call me Demi, and welcome back to another video. This video is not sped up, but we are doing something fun. I finished all the paths, except for one that is supposed to go to the spawner. But I thought, let's do some tree building. I've already, you guys know where the tree was, like my pink Christmas tree. I have already built one there. Had already built one there. Before I was like, yeah, let's start a recording. So yeah, I'm trying a different type of tree building. Normally I'm like covering every single branch and I don't use fences. But I was like, let's give it a go. And it takes me a lot longer to do, but it does kind of work. It does kind of work with this type of tree. I also did a jungle tree, which we will get the materials for later on. But yeah, yeah. But the main reason why I was like, let's go for this type of tree is because I was watching Fwip building a lot of trees on YouTube, and I was like, I want to be able to do that too. I want to be able to build amazing custom trees. So yeah, the wood type I'm using is the pale oak. To me, it goes really well with the pink, and I've also used that for for my empire. I am gonna change up those trees over there because you know I really just want the actual custom trees, and I will make those actually custom. And I might even get like Matica and practice. Oh no, wait, that's this bedrock. Does bedrock have like Matica? I don't know. Let's Google. Let's ask Google, shall we? Minecraft. That's really wrong. Minecraft bedrock. Matica. Lights Matica. I don't know. I don't know if there is. This is something from Minecraft. No, it's not. I don't think there is. But yeah, I will start to do those kind of trees on like these kind of trees on my empire. Because I think they look alright. I mean, it takes longer. It takes longer for me to build it, but it does, you know, add to it. It feels like it adds to the time spent on it as well. And I think it also is more like effort that I put in. So yeah, I think that also counts. Yeah, it's really difficult like this, to build it like this. I was struggling pretty hard, especially also to get the branches right, which is pretty difficult if you ask me. So yeah, but I'm proud I finally did it in this way. Yeah. really feels like I'm learning, you know. I'm learning to be a better builder, and I'm proud of myself for finally doing it this way. Yeah, I had to chop down a few cherry leaves, just a couple. I will make a lot more jungle trees. I'm gonna take a little break from UP, I think, and then just only build like those jungle trees. I feel like I'll come back when my entire starter area is looking a bit more nicer, you know, like more custom trees, more fun terrain, or maybe not new terrain. I will record all of it, but I'm just gonna take a break until I feel like the area looks much better. Yeah. I can just watch this all day. This tree looks so good. And also in the one, I took a picture of it and it looks so cool. Like just the tree. Well, in the picture is like you see the first tree that I made near the house. Then you see the tree that I'm working on here, and then you can barely see the other tree, which looks so good. And also I worked a bit on lighting up the place, I just realized, from the picture, because like it was all dark. The most important part with building, obviously, it's it's stepping back and taking a look at, does it look right? You know, if it doesn't look right, then, you know, then yeah, it's all about taking a step back and, you know, looking at how it looks from a distance. And these things, they are organics. They're called organics because they're all natural stuff. You know, organic. You know, organic. And with organics, you want to make sure that they look good on different angles. So you see me here standing on one side, and now I'm going to run to the other side, to a different side, to see how that looks. And I was like, yeah, that wooden pillar needs to go. That thing needed to go. So yeah, that's like, if you want to make sure that your builds look good and you're like doing it in organic styles, make sure you look at it from different angles. Trust me, it's better that way. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna take one final look right here. To me, that looked alright. Yeah. And it was like, yeah, that's the other one I did. I also checked it from this side. And I was like, here needs to be one more. There needs to be one right there. Yeah. I was just checking everything. Gathering every block that I needed, that I still had left there. But yeah, I like it. Maybe I should put some pink petals on the bottom. So yeah. At that point I was like, you know, I'm living in a thing. Why not do a jungle? Like this bit, it was mostly all jungle. So yeah. I chopped all the wood down. So yeah. I was gonna look in my storage room to see if I had any jungle logs. I need to go onto a wood cutting spree and completely fill up my chests with logs, because absolutely zero logs with that. Like I really need to. I might do that as well. I might do that actually. After I'm done recording this, I might go and just grow a whole load of trees. Make sure I have at least a single chest worth of that. Yeah. Out of episode, I like before recording this, I went to a back to the azalea, to one of the azalea trees, and that thing basically went down to like thingy. It went to oh my god, my brain in the evenings. Went to deep slate, so I was pretty happy. I got like maybe 9 stacks of degraded dirt, so yeah. And that was just one tree I visited, so yeah. And also I'm glad I got this hose. Oh my god, it's so much faster to gather all the leaves. So much better too, because you have more durability. Yeah. Barriers was doing well. Yeah. Yeah. I really should go and do all that wood chopping. Because I have quite some pale oak, which I was using. At first I was like, let's just do some of the custom cherry trees, but then I was like, no, I want to do at least one custom jungle tree. Oh my god, I'm tired. Yeah. I was going to grow another jungle tree. I got frustrated because I only bone milled the ground. And that's how you get no trees growing. Apparently these trees, they have trouble growing when there's tall grass nearby. It's annoying, but you know, what can you do about it? Yeah, anyway. I might as well, while I'm at it, ask you guys to join my Discord server. If you're a builder and you love building trees, just send me a video in it, or a picture, a couple of pictures, of some custom trees you have, custom jungle trees, and I'm going to and I want to rebuild them in here, and of course put a sign there with your name on it, and yeah, the way your tree will be forever and ever in my world, as long as I don't accidentally delete my world. I should actually after every like every time I've played on this world, I should back it up just in case and delete the old backup. Then, you know, I might do that. You know, like if it accidentally happens, then I haven't lost everything. And I should definitely fill up those potholes. Yeah. Well, enough leaves, I suppose. Yeah, I'm okay with the I'm good. I'm good enough with the cherry trees, the custom cherry trees. But I need to work on my custom my custom jungle ones. I'm definitely gonna move that one because all the time it's kind of in the way. So yeah. I did plant those myself. See? So yeah. Anyway. And also, even if you don't have a custom jungle tree, just send in regulars. I mean, in a jungle, you're gonna find normal oak trees, right? You're gonna find all sorts of trees in reality. You know, like if you have any tree suggestions, like I have a savanna nearby, so you know, custom savanna tree maybe. It could all happen, you know. If you have any fish suggestions, post them in my Discord or tag me in it on social media, and I will rebuild it in my world. So yeah, with this one we are not going to strip the logs because I don't want to at first. But yeah, this one is gonna be hanging over the street, over the roads. I thought it was cute. Then when the leaves came in, I was like, not so sure, because kind of low. But yeah, that doesn't really matter, really. So yeah, jungles. Normally jungle trees are pretty tall, right? Like, they're pretty tall. This one is just a baby. This was just a baby tree. Maybe I should just cut down the entire jungle forest and build my own custom forest. People legit do that. They are insane. But the results are amazing, I have to say. If you are one of those people who just completely decimates a forest just to rebuild their own, I gotta say, you guys are amazing. You guys have such, how do you say it, willpower? Yeah, I'm just gonna go with willpower to just go for it and do the insane. Because you guys really are insane, I have to say. For just doing something like that. It's insane. But it's also awesome at the same time, you know. And I knew I had some jungle fences in there. I remembered well. But yeah. Maybe you guys don't have to build, you know, your own custom trees for me. Maybe like custom flowers, perhaps? Yeah. Just custom organics. And I'll try to recreate it. I am planning on using all of my copper to make a copper red panda. But maybe I should save the copper and build a normal panda face first. Out of copper. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I do a copper red panda statue, like in the wall or something? Or a copper normal panda? I honestly don't know. So that's why I'm asking you guys to decide it for me. Because it's either or. But then again, I have so much copper, I could do both. So, yeah. This one was a bit difficult to do because there was another tree in the way. And then I was like, yeah, no. That tree had to go. It was an oak one as well. Boring one. Maybe I should do custom oaks as well. I don't know. Maybe. It all depends on like how good I get at making these trees. But yeah. We are almost done with this one, and then we're gonna start with all of the lighting up. Because torch spam, it is not fun. We do not want the torch spam. Like, I'm gonna get rid of the torches and use not fences. I'm gonna use no, I'm gonna use lanterns. My brain really doesn't want to work in the evenings. Oh god. Normally it does, but like when I'm talking, it just doesn't work. Yeah, my brain will never brain normally again. Let me tell you. One of those fence branches I did remove eventually afterwards because it made it a bit too difficult for me. So yeah, I should maybe also like make a little like growing like little thing where they grow the trees and then they plant them when they're ready. You know, little vineyard or something. We're gonna start off by making, by doing the, and now that's there. That's gonna bother me. We're gonna start off by putting a couple of leaves on the bottom, and then when we get at the top, we will continue to build, and we will do the rest. Yeah. This part is kind of like difficult. This part was difficult for me because of how close it was to the ground. Like I should have made it a bit taller, but it's nice, you know. It's giving that bit of an overgrown feel. So yes, kind of nice. And also that is the branch that I've removed. Right here. Because I was like, no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So yeah, I removed it. I will make different designs in creative and just copy them over. Like when they're all done. But it needs to be taller. 100%. Especially when they're going to be over the road. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna take a short break from UP Let's Play until I feel like the area is a bit nicer, because well, it looks shit. Looks a bit like shit, you know. And I feel like I could do better with building. outside is the part that I'm going to be seeing most of the time. So it needs to look nice, you know? Needs to look like it was already, like the streets were already there. And I will throw in a couple of the old design trees in, just to save a bit on the time on time. But yeah, doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with the cherry ones, not too much with the jungle. Might remove it and start again and with a different version. But we'll see. We'll see. Although I don't actually think I did lighting in the video. No, I did. I took the screenshot when I was recording. Like I can actually see the record button on the bottom of the screenshot. So yeah, I will make this place a bit nicer. Stock up on some logs because I desperately need those all the time, and I always end up just chopping it down. Like at the place. So yeah, I'll make sure that I at least have a single chest worth of logs constantly in storage. So that next time when I'm gonna need wood, I have wood. So yeah. Nothing else to do the bottom there on those. Actually needed to do the top of it. It is all like trial and error with placing. You know, like you might think like, oh, it looks better there, but then it actually looks better over there. So yeah, it's really just trying to see where everything looks better. Also on the screenshot out, you can barely see the jungle tree. Just how dense it is. You know, if I'm going to be stocking up on jungle logs, I'll have more place I'll need more place to build more stuff, and I can use my excess amount of dirt and grass that I have to flatten, and then I can do some more building. Because I don't think I've actually done a lot of building, like at all. Yeah, we're almost at the end of this video. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Trees. They're difficult. Especially when you're just trying to do a new style in a world where it's going to be permanently sitting there. I don't think we're going to get to see the placing of everything. Yeah, that's it for me for now. Lighting, I mean. Yeah, that is it for me for now. And I shall see you guys in another video. Still 7 seconds, but yeah. But that's it for me for now. I shall see you guys in another video. Bye!